Good morning, Namaste, Pranam to all brothers and sisters of India. I am Dr. Divagaran Cochin. My subject is medical science and astrology. Today I am going to speak about the coronary thrombosis. There is a sudden blocking of one of the arteries or its branches, and then the supply of blood to the heart is affected, partially or wholly. The sudden blocking taken place due to the deposit of clot in an already narrow artery. Due to lack of blood supply, heart attack takes place with pain in the chest and arms, and there may be perspiration. According to astrology, the fourth house and fifth house are very important. Moon is the karaka of mind. Moon also very important. Moon is malefic, and fourth house have Mars and Sun. The person may have coronary thrombosis. The fourth house, the Sun is malefic and connection with the sixth lord. The person may have coronary thrombosis and heart attack will come. Fourth house is very important. Fifth house also, Prajna Pradibha Medha Vega Shakti Puradanam Punyam Mandramadhyatanujaha. The sixth house, Shashtam Dwadisham Ashtam Jamunayo Bhavanam Anshtanudu. 3, 6, 8, 12 are the twin houses of a horoscope. Sixth lord is in the fourth. Sun is malefic, moon is malefic. The person may get coronary thrombosis. Fourth house is very important. According to Kalapurusha, Murdha, Asya, Gela, Skanda, Hridaya. Hridaya is the fourth house. Then fourth lord is in the sixth house. Sun with the malefic. The person, the coronary thrombosis will come and fully block or partially block. Then the heart is not able to get the blood. The function of the heart is the supply of blood by coronary arteries. Coronary arteries block or thin, then the flow of blood will be blocked fully or partially. Fully blocked, then the person's heart is unable to work, then it will be attack, so the person will die. So the sun is the chief physician of the nature. Sun is powerful. Fourth lord is powerful. The sixth lord is in the sixth house. The person will get good health and he can maintain good health when Saturn and Mars be in the sixth house, being aspected by Sun and Rahu, the person may get so many connections. The fourth house and fourth lord, sixth house, sixth lord. In Ayurveda, Vada, Kapha, Pitta, three doshas are, all diseases are related to that. If the lord of the Lagna be a malefic and be in Lagna or in Kendra or be conjunction with the moon or be in Navamsaka of moon, the disease come into appearance. If the lord of the Lagna, being a malefic, be weak and debilitated, or be combusted, or be eclipsed, or be defeated in the planetary war, or aspects of the lord of the evil house, Dusthanas, that is lord of the sixth, eighth. Eighth will be complicated diseases. So the person must walk at least 2-3 kilometers every day, morning and evening, and eat the fruits every day. Don't take the meat, red meat, and oil foods to avoid the heart attack. Thank you very much. If you like my subject, please subscribe and the bell button switch on.